Okay, so to continue on with that, I'll show you some other tools that you can use to create your shapes. So click on the background to deselect that part of the bed first. So all these shapes are really easy. The rectangles, you know how to do those now, so you don't need to be shown. Circle, you're going to hold down the rectangle tool and it will show you all these other shapes. So you can choose the ellipse tool is what I want. So I select that. I click and then I hold down the shift key so that it will scale it in scale and proportion as a circle. I want a perfectly round circle. If I don't hold down the shift key, it's going to give me an ellipse instead. So holding down the shift key, and there I have my circle, so I can put that into place. I can resize it if I want to. And then the fun part is when you're doing things like the couch here. So you're learning a different tool here. Again, I want my rectangle. Now, if you're doing shapes like this is how I do it, really easy. I'm going to get the rectangle tool. I'm going to find the back of the couch. I'm going to do the side of the couch, and I'm just going to have these overlapping. And then again, I'm going to start dragging, hold down the Alt-Shift key. So I take it over here. You feel it lock in over there. And then I have my couch seat, which I want. So with the rectangle tool, take it along. That pink line showed me that I was at the center of the couch. Start dragging, hold down the Alt-Shift key, and hopefully it lines up perfectly. Okay, so you can't see anything that I've just done because there's no line. So let's change it to a different color so you can actually see what I'm doing. Okay, so purple because black's sitting underneath. Okay, so with all of these shapes selected, so I get the selection tool. We don't want the guideline here, so I deselected that. We get the shape builder tool. That's a fun one. So we click on the shape builder tool, and everything that's selected, see if I hover above any shapes, it shows the little dots there. So this is what's happening. I click and drag because I want to blend these shapes together. And then I go across here, click, I'm still holding down, and then I go around here. So now, there you go. You have your couch. And that's one shape there. And you can do that with a whole range of objects as well.